Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Temu. So let's get into the video. Open up Temu. Once you've opened up Temu, log into your Temu account if you have an account. So once you are here up in, and then if you want to pay with Klarna for any purchase on Temu, so just browse and add any item to your cart so that you can proceed with the checkout. So for example, here in my cart I've added this item here. So now I'm going to proceed to the checkout option. So when I click on checkout, and then I'll get to the checkout option here. So here under payment methods, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select Klarna because I'm going to pay with Klarna. So I'm going to select the Klarna. Okay, if your region supports Klarna, you should be able to see these options. So click on Klarna, and then once you have selected Klarna, you can choose once you have selected Klarna, you can choose the payment method, and then all you have to do is hit on this one, pay with Klarna. Just click on it, and then you will need to authorize your payment through your Klarna account. So you're going to do that, and then payment will be processed, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.